Are you tired of working so hard? Sick of pretending to care about your deadlines, spreadsheets, your coworkers? Yeah, we know you are. That's why we invite you to say goodbye to effort and hello to the HW-4000, your ticket to glorious, guilt-free leisure time. With over 4,000 unique models to choose from, the Hardworker 4000 is designed to do up to 4,000 different jobs better than you.
Just 2 weeks of training, and it's ready to take over your entire life. And let's be honest, it'll be an upgrade.
The HW-4000 studies your habits, mimics your moves, laughs at your boss's Monday morning jokes. It even stays late to finish the job while you watch the game with your other friends that have HW-4000s.
This bad boy is a smarter, faster, better-looking, and more enthusiastic version of you than anyone thought existed, including your mother.
White-collar grind? The HW-4000 crunches numbers and kisses up to your clients like a pro. Blue-collar hustle? It'll do the job without complaint. No more KPI reports, company lunches, or trying it all.
That metal stud does 4,000 jobs, from selling to service to deep faking your best self. Get it?
HW-4000 puts in the time, so you don't have to.
Let him cook. I mean, literally.
And if you suck at your job, don't worry. The HW-4000 has a solution for that too.
Nobody wants bad training data to ruin your chances at success. So for a limited time, you can order a pre-trained HW-4000 in the occupation of your choice. These ready-to-ship models don't even need to watch what you do to replace you. No training required. So go ahead and do whatever you want while the Hardworker 4000 works hard for you. It even attends your kids' soccer games without staring at its phone, like a good parent. Seriously, why work hard when you can work? Not at all.
The HW is the life hack my therapist said didn't exist. It's pure, unearned relaxation.
Go live the dream and stop pretending you're a functioning adult. Because in this day and age, effort is overrated and freedom is just a monthly fee away.
I quit grinding and took work from home to the next level.
Quiet quitting is for boring losers. Just stop showing up.
You always were one click away from being obsolete. So clock out from your work reality for the very last time. Be the genius that does absolutely nothing and get promoted while you sleep.
Finally, a sure-proof way to get that promotion you've been wanting.
This isn't just a robot. It's your free pass to doing nothing while still getting everything in life. Let your boss think you're a superstar.
My HW-4000 reads bedtime stories and tucks the kids in with that unblinking stare. That's not creepy at all.
Enjoy your family finally thinking you're just great. And at long last, satisfy your spouse.
On a full charge, the HW-4000 can go all night long.
So why grind when you can just ghost?
Why lift a finger when you've got a robot that lifts everything?
I haven't moved in days, and yet life's never been better. Sometimes I forget how my legs work.
Snag your HW-4000 and flex the life you don't deserve.
Wondering what you'll do with all the time you'll have? Easy. Take naps. Sleep is something you can still do.
I used to chase the corporate crown, punching clocks in a soul-sucked town. Emails piled like a digital jail. Now my HW-4000's got my email. It's my stand-in, my stunt double dream. Out there hustling while I'm sipping cream. Oh, the world's a stage, and I'm off the script. Let my robot star while I take a dip. 4,000 skills, it's a genius machine. Builds my empire while I'm living serene. Proxy paradise, I'm checking out clean. HW-4000 runs a whole dang scene. No more grind, no more playing the part. I'm lounging in glory with a rebel's heart. It's got my swagger, but sharper refined. Climbs the ladder while I'm I'm sipping wine. Boardroom battles, it's a flawless charade. While I'm binging shows in a hammock shade. No performance reviews, no faking the zeal. My HW-4000 makes success feel real. The office drones buzz, but I'm far away. My robot's their hero, I'm on holiday. It's the ultimate flex, no sweat, no strife. This bot's my passport to the easy life. They're slaving for status, for likes, for clout, while I'm sipping my ties, just chilling out. Society's rigged, but I cracked the code. HW-4000's my shortcut down freedom's road. It's dystopian chic, but who's keeping score? I'm obsolete, and I've never felt more. So raise a glass to the life you've earned it in. Who cares? Let the tables turn. HW-4000, my mechanical muse. I'm free from the rat race.
What the hell was that?
Nothing to worry about.
And I can't